The last thing I'll ask you to do as part of the linear regression analysis is to interpret the Pearson R value. So depending on if R is positive or negative, it's indicating a positive or negative linear relationship, and depending on the value, the absolute value ignoring the sign, we get a sense of the strength of the relationship. An R value between 0 and 0.33 is a weak correlation, between 0.34 and 0.67 is a moderate correlation, and 0.68 and 1 is a strong correlation. In this case, a Pearson R value of 0.896673 indicates a strong positive linear trend between age and blood pressure. This means that as age increases, blood pressure tends to also increase. That's it. Follow the same 5 steps for each of the 2 assignment problems given in your task. Remember to plot the data using a proper scatter chart, adjust the axes and label them, add a trend line to the data, determine the regression equation and the Pearson R value, and interpret the Pearson R value as it relates to the data. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, submit your completed Excel file to the D2L Dropbox. Thank you.